Have you ever had students struggle to see that 4 quarters equals a dollar or 5 pennies equal a nickel because the change in coins or dollars is so drastic? We can show them with an animation here that 4 quarters equals $1 and 5 pennies equals a nickel. But if that doesn't help, another way to show them is with grids. I can change my workspace to grids, and now I have a dollar being 100 squares and a nickel being 5. I can pull out my quarter, and I have a 5 by 5 square to show that that is 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4, and it perfectly covers the dollar. Same thing with the pennies. I can pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it covers the same area, showing the kids that 4 quarters is the same as a dollar and 5 pennies is the same as a nickel.